In this question, n greater than or equal to 6. Use an algebraic method to show that nC5 minus n minus 1 C5 can write as n minus 1 C4. So we know that nCr will be n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. So this will be n factorial over the 5 factorial n minus 5 factorial minus the n minus 1 factorial over the 5 factorial n minus 1 minus 5 factorial. Okay, so we have the n factorial, no, n times n minus 1 factorial over the 5 factorial n minus 5 factorial minus the n minus 1 factorial over the 5 factorial. This is actually n minus 6 factorial. So n minus 6 factorial. So for this one, okay, we rewrite as the n minus 5 is n minus 5 times n minus 6 factorial. So we can factorize the n minus 1 factorial, and then we have the 5 factorial n minus 6 factorial. Then we have the n over n minus 5 minus 1. So 1 over 1 multiply with n minus 5. Then we will have the n minus 1 factorial. So this one multiply with the n minus n plus 5, and then over with the n minus 5. Okay, so before I continue, okay, we must know that this is n minus 1 factorial over 4 factorial n minus 1 minus 4 factorial, or it is n minus 1 factorial over the 5. No, this is 4 factorial n minus 5 factorial. So multiply with this, then we have the n minus 1 factorial times 5. So the 5 factorial we rewrite as 5 times 4 factorial times the n minus 1 factorial. Then cancel. So this is n minus 1 factorial over 4 factorial n minus 1 So we will have the n minus 1 minus 4 factorial. So this is n minus 1 C4. Okay, done. So for this kind of question, when you do until halfway you jam, then you show the other side, then you combine back. Mm, okay, done.